live. Welcome back. How you doing,
Welcome,
Jomo?
welcome. I'm good. Good morning. Good morning, CM. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Listen to this guy, Chocolate Cookie. Give us a like. Smash the like, guys. Share these lives on your Twitter or on your Instagram and your TikTok if you use
Share the
this
like. Give
lovely
us a
stuff.
like.
Smash
Help
the
us
like.
spread the word.
Spread the world. Bring the audience to our channel. This video we're gonna talk about KASPA. We're gonna give you a KASPA update, our thoughts about KASPA, myself, Jomo, and it is what it is.
It is what it is. Let's go. Let's go. And of course, as always, put your questions right now because we want to address as many questions as we can as we go forward. We try to get to all your questions if we can. If we can't, keep it for the next time because we're going to be here a few times a week giving you the alpha, trying to teach you what we do, and just dropping some help because we know that a lot of people have issues with understanding the market, and that's what we're here for. And by the way, right off the bat, I see someone that is really deep in having issues with the market. Mr. Marek over here
No, no,
with the
I
issues.
shush him. I shush him. Leave him alone,
You,
man. He
oh, you
doesn't
shush
matter.
him.
I shush him, man. We don't have time for this nonsense, man.
All right.
Yes. So what do you think about KASPA? Do you think now, because Bitcoin looks like it's going to maybe hold here and have a little bounce, a short-term relief bounce, maybe? Do you think KASPA will pump?
Well, let me show my screen. Look, the you know what we like to do? We like to look at price action to tell us kind of what's happening. Now, I will teach really fast our audience, really, really fast, something, all right? The market has 4 stages, all right? These are the 4 stages. The stage one is the neglect stage. No one is looking at the asset over here. This is why it's called neglect. This is number one. Number two is this up move, all right? This up move, called the up move stage, is where all the money is made longing, all right? Then you have the stage three topping that usually looks like this. This is where, all right, the asset is topping. And then you have the stage four, okay? That's where the asset goes down. Individually, sometimes it's individually, regardless of the market. And sometimes, it coincides with what the market is doing as a whole, okay? You need to learn and understand these, right? Stage one, you don't want to be involved in the market because you don't know how much time you will lose waiting for an asset. Stage two, you want to be longing the asset. Stage three, you want to be out of the asset because you don't want to lose time, thinking maybe it's stage three, maybe it's not. You want to be out of the market. And stage four, you want to be shorting the asset, okay? So you want to be involved at stage two, up, long, at stage four, short. That's it. At the rest of the stages, you don't want to be involved. And of course, you can get in and out, in and out. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so understanding this is something is called stage analysis. And by the way, I teach stage analysis in the course, and of course I know that CM preaches it as well in his membership. So if you don't know what this is and you want to learn, because we actually teach this in a simple method, what you need to do is just learn what we do by getting into the course or into the program. You can scan the QR code as CM is showing. But diving into KASPA, look, pretty easy. Okay, you had a stage one over here, right? Then you had a stage two. Then you had a stage three over here. And right now, I believe we got into the stage four. And the confirmation that we got into a stage four was the break of this trend line over here below the 10 cents. Okay, this was for me the confirmation was stage four. So what I think is, regardless of what's happening in the market, okay, regardless of what's happening everywhere else, I believe that we are right now at a stage for decline for KASPA. How long will it take? I don't really know. Okay, I don't really know. And of course, assets are agile. They can get into stage four for a month or two, and then all of a sudden something happens. We don't know what. When we'll change it, it can go into stage one. It can go into stage two all of a sudden. We don't really know. But we need to take it one step at a time. Now, this tactic of stage analysis helps me and helps CM, navigate the assets themselves to know when we want to be involved and to know when we don't want to be involved. So for me, I believe right now that we are at a stage four. Okay, right now I believe we're at a stage four decline. I don't know how long will it take for me to change my mind. Okay, for me to change my mind, all of a sudden, if anything changed materially, I need to be above, these levels again. If we don't go above the 12 cents again, I don't change my mind. As long as we're below here, even if we do get a bounce, let's say we do get a bounce, we retest this trend line, I'm still, within a stage 4 because we can go down. This happens many, many times. If we go above it and stay above it and then continue, maybe I change my mind. Maybe I will
Need a
need to
higher high.
revisit
Need
and
a higher high.
update. Yeah, we need a higher high. To be honest, I don't think I'm going to get involved with KASPA at least above, the 20 cents. At least I don't think so. I don't think it's needed. If we do get something above the 20 cents again in the future, yeah, maybe I would want to get back involved with KASPA. Maybe, right? Maybe. But for now, right, as long as we're below this trend line, even if we test it, go below, I believe we're at a stage 4 decline, and I believe this is time to get in and out of shorts on KASPA. Again, as of the information that we have today, okay, I have a saying: strong opinions weakly held. My strong opinion is we are at stage 4, but I can change my mind if something changes. What do you think, Siam?
Yeah, man. My audience knows my thoughts about KASPA. I'm bearish as fuck on KASPA. And yeah, man, told them already, man, short the rallies. If now we're gonna get a good rally, let's say a good bounce, retest like you say, I'm gonna look for shorts. I'm gonna look for shorts on the next rejection. Yeah, that's what I think about KASPA.
For sure. And as CM said, I think in the beginning, it all comes to what the market does. So situational awareness of the market environment is key here as well. Because let's say all of a sudden, who knows, Bitcoin goes above 110, we might change our mind and be looking heavily for longing. Okay, that's how agile we are, and that's why we have a view, we take it, we trade it until it stops, and then we can flip our and change to the other side, because that's what is paying us money. CM and I, we look for what's paying us money now and in the short term. Okay, we might have a view for 2026, but who cares about our view for 2026? I want to make money today. I want to make money tomorrow, next week, and so on. So that's how we operate, right, CM?
Yeah, man. People don't understand. They miss out. People in crypto miss out the whole idea of trading. What they're doing with their life is pathetic, man. They are on Twitter cheerleaders of some stupid Twitter account that telling them, "Oh, KASPA is okay. Is going to flip Bitcoin." They solved the trilemma.
For sure.
And the same dude that started crypto forgot his whole purpose when starting crypto. The purpose is to get fucking rich by trading crypto.
Exactly.
Not by being a cheerleader of
not by being a cheerleader,
or stupid KASPA or stupid XRP. Because they are all stupid. Just buy them when they're hot and sell them when they're cold. If they make you money, trade them. If they don't make you money, avoid them at all costs, because they're gonna chop you to pieces, bro.
Exactly. And we need to remind our audience, over and over, what is the goal? The goal is to make money, okay? The goal is not to fall in love, right? Fall in love with your wife, fall in love with your husband, whatever. Don't fall in love with a coin.
Here you have a question for you, Jomo, your favorite topic. KASPA meme coins.
KASPA meme coins. What are our thoughts about the highest cap KRC20 meme coins? Nacho on Kampa, looking top. I mean, I think I covered Nacho like.
Oh my God!
A few weeks. Wait. We showed this. I showed this. This is horrendous. One of the worst looking charts. Yeah, sure. Show it and share it. Look, Kevin. What you're doing
this is an emergency, man.
It's an emergency.
Join the community now before you go to Wrecked City. You're already in Wrecked City. You have already a grave there. But do yourself a favor. Join the community now. The VIP, man. This is bad. If you're holding this asset, it's not an asset. It's an ass. It's an ass. It's not an asset.
It's an ass kicked. It's an ass kicked.
It's an ass bundle. It came up from the KASPA app.
Kevin didn't say that he bought it. He's just asking for our long-term view.
If people ask about stuff, like that, they are involved. Okay,
It's okay.
usually.
Maybe, or maybe he's contemplating. Maybe he saw someone talking about this. Okay, so I'm gonna give him the benefit of the doubt. Look, Kevin, you're asking again about our long-term view. I think me and CM are really upfront about the fact that we don't hold long-term views on anything because it hurts our trading. Okay, having a view, a long-term view, hurts your trading because then you miss out on everything that is happening now. Okay, you don't want to lose time because you have a view on something. Right now, Nacho is on a horrendous downtrend, It's looking more like a rug pull than most coins that I've seen, so far. As CM says over at the, you can see it, it's in a death spiral. Yeah, you can call it a death spiral for sure, right? So you just don't need and want to be involved in it whatsoever, because what you're asking basically is whether or not you should buy it, right? I'm telling you, I would never buy this at this level whatsoever because it is in a downtrend. You don't know when the downtrend ends. Maybe it's today, maybe it's next week, maybe it's never. Maybe this will go all the way down to zero. Okay, so never buy anything at a downtrend. At least that's not something we do. Okay, so we don't have any views on any meme coins as a whole. It's not a sector. We don't preach that. Okay, for us, we look for assets that are in a potential, setup for a velocity move. That's it. Okay, that's it. So Nacho, for me right now, do not get involved whatsoever. Leave it. Forget
Man,
about it.
Kevin, and if you are involved with it, man up, okay? Man up and ask yourself, why did I buy it? Did I buy because the stupid YouTuber with the accent and the KASPA army guy, in the British one, what's his name? Archie. Because of this Archie moron told you to buy? This was that the reason? Or was it Galaxy told you to buy this shit? Or who told you to buy this nonsense? Okay. And what made you hold this rubbish for so long? Okay, ask yourself this question. Don't ask yourself, oh, will it reverse? Man, trading is a journey. Trading or investing, whatever you want to call yourself, is a journey between you. Okay, it's like a between you and yourself. Okay, and the market. Okay, you gotta grow into it. Okay, because if you're not gonna do the work, the inside work, you're not gonna grow your wealth because the market gonna fuck you because you are buying rubbish, man. You need to know what to buy, man. This is not no.
I agree.
No.
I agree. I think that the market is here to take all of our money. I really look at the market as a mechanism to try and take your money to people that understand the market, how to trade better than you do. Okay. And if you ask these types of questions, it's very apparent you have no idea what you're doing. And that's okay because no one knows what he does in the beginning. Okay. But you need to understand what to do, right? Either by yourself, go invest in a book, all right? It will take you a couple of years, but that's okay. That's the route that we took, me and CM, many years until we got really proficient and amazing in trading. Or you can just join our, program, and we will shorten the curve and do the heavy lifting for you because we're going to nurture you and show you all our trades, teach you what we do on a daily basis, give you coaching sessions, and you can just, you can join, a really proficient, program and service. And of course you have a 10% coupon code, all right, with live 1978. If you want to join right now, go check it out. You have a 10% for this live purpose only. CM, if you agree CM is funny, ladies and gents, please, and he's adding humor to something that is, very serious, give us a like right now, help us share, some laughs into something that is really, serious, and people need to first understand, but as well have a few laughs and enjoy life, because what is trading if not to make you money and have some good laughs and, enjoy life, right, CM?
Yes. By the way, do you have any other? If you have questions, drop them in the chat because we're gonna wrap it up very soon. Who is this guy? Do you like the Magic Eden chart, man?
You need to share the ticker, please.
Yeah, share the ticket, man. The ticker, man. We're not the guys from the woods, man. That look on Coin Market Cap, NT3s, how you doing, man? Yes,
What's up?
yes. Yes, it's very symmetrical.
It's very symmetrical. CM, me and you, we must do another live saying how much we love KASPA because people don't understand how much we love KASPA. All right. We love KASPA because it gives you very classic, charts and price action to take longs or shorts, very classic ones. Almost you almost can't miss it in a sense, right? That's why KASPA is such a beautiful classic, way to trade. And people that think that we hate on KASPA, they don't understand that we don't. We love it because it makes us money over time.
Indeed, my friend, indeed. Yeah,
CM is funny as fuck. Christoph, as exact moi, Christoph. He is very funny. What else? Other questions? We don't have any tickers today. People are not asking too much.
people are
People
still
are
drunk
still
from the weekend.
drunk. No, I think they're afraid. People are afraid of the market. What the market is going to do. People are fearful of the market, but that's okay. Sometimes we can keep, things short and, to the point.
The MJ asked in the beginning, is the market reversing? Well, then, saying reversing and, like now, it's like only lady boys declaring this kind of stuff. Oh, the market is reversing. Bitcoin is holding for like 5 days, like the same levels. Oh, reversal. Could be, could be. I'm not saying it could not, but we're waiting for confirmation, and we're following Bitcoin. Bitcoin now is holding. If it's coming up back above 100K, start holding the 100K again. Start trending higher. Obviously, take the 110K. Then you got yourself a reversal. But from now, is the market reversing? And
I'm not sure what is the reversal, to the upside or to the downside. Is it a short-term reversal from now up or from a few weeks ago down?
Yeah. He's probably asking on a short term. Yes, he's probably asking on a short term. But if we are on it as well, do you think the market topped out?
I want to answer something else, by the way. MJ, this question I don't think is important. Why is it important if something is reversing or not reversing? CM, me and you, when you look at trades, all right, when you look at a trade entry, at a setup that you think is something that is very apparent is going to be a velocity trade, either to the upside or to a downside, right? Do you, all right, look at whether it's reversing or not? Is that a question you ask yourself? No, right? You ask yourself, is the asset I'm looking at ready to be traded or not? Okay. If the price action is looking good and the setup is ready and it ticks, if it checks all the ticks, that's it. That's all we need to know. To ask yourself, is the market reversing, is actually a question of FOMO. Because if it's reversing, I don't want to miss maybe buying a potential local bottom or selling a potential local top. All right. It's a FOMO led question. I don't think it's an important question. I don't think it's important at all because it doesn't help you to trade. It doesn't help you to trade whatsoever. So you need to start asking yourself better questions, MJ, okay? Need to ask yourself, do you see any setups? Is something, getting ready to be traded? Yes or no? All right? Stuff like that. And of course, many more questions that we tell you what to ask yourself, in our program, and we teach that, okay? We make it simple for you, but is the market reversing? Not a question that is really important to answer. And as CM said, no one knows. So if the answer is no one knows, so it's not an important question.
And what is the market you're referring? Are you referring the entire world market, the gold market, the dollar market, the crypto market, the Bitcoin market? And people think, oh, if Bitcoin is now maybe bounced, their shitcoin is gonna bounce. It must bounce. No, it's not. It can have a little fake bounce, or it can even continue collapsing. You have now. All Bitcoin is the only one that is still bullish from the crypto market. All the other garbage are much more bearish than Bitcoin if you look on the chart. So
Yeah, for sure. I agree. People have recency bias too much. All right. Recency bias is when people look at what happened very recent and think that what happened right now will happen over and over again. That's not how the market works. Sometimes, when a coin, a blockchain goes up, then the coins of it will go up. Other times, the blockchain can remain resilient while the shit coins of it will go the way back down. And yeah. Anyways, the dude, just Chris, said that the chart is MEU for Magic Eden. By the way, the chart is ME. I will just share it very briefly so people can see. ME, right, in my opinion, again, is not looking constructive just yet. Okay, it's in a downtrend. You can say that maybe it went above this trend line, maybe, but what does it matter right now? I don't think so, right? Maybe it's starting to have a character change. This is not something that for me is magnificent or crucial or substantial at all, okay? Maybe for you, maybe you know something about Magic Eden, maybe that's something that you love, you want, I don't know, right? Yes, it made possible character change, but nothing that I think is important. For me, I would much prefer to go higher and create a base sideways and then continue to create a beautiful continuation trade. For me, Magic Eden right now is still in a downtrend with a potential character change, but Magic Eden as a new coin won't do anything without Bitcoin's, help. Okay, I don't see how Magic Eden can go up without the market itself, which will be Bitcoin and the rest of it, gaining liquidity. This can be just a fake out to above the trend line and continue down. Right now, I don't see anything materially, change in the Magic Eden chart. So not interested at it for me. That's what I think.
By the way,
CM1.
its fully diluted valuation is 1.8 billion, and the market cap is 200 million. So it's a scam. It's a rug pull.
But only 20, only like 30% of the
20,
coins,
man.
20%.
Less than 20% is actual. They can dump on you out of nowhere billions of tokens.
Yeah, I guess you can see the vesting scheduling and stuff like that. But again, if you're looking at it in an investment point of view, that overhead supply that CM is talking about, just that's why we don't invest in these coins, because you never know who is going to dump on your ass, all their coins, because
Scams.
retail, it's all, yeah, we are all exit liquidity for VCs in these coins, right? VCs that invested in Magic Eden like 2-3 years ago when it was only a startup, right? They have such an amazing gains on their bags that whenever there is enough liquidity for them to exit, they will just sell on you, right? Yeah, exactly. You will be exit liquidity. So you need to really pinpoint the entries to be when the supply and demand dynamics are really, together combined, showing you that there is a high potential move up, all right, and not just invest in it.
Do you trade every day, Jomo?
What's up, Naz? Naz is someone that comes back to us, every day almost. So welcome back again. Yeah,
No,
this
man.
is my life. This is my life, Naz. I look at if you mean, do I take trades every day? No. Is that the question? Do I go in and out,
That's the
every
question, man.
day?
That's
All
the
right.
question.
No. So the answer is no. All right. Do I, have a process of, being a trader on a daily basis? Yes, because I call myself a financial athlete, not a trader, because people that are traders, they think they need to trade every day. No, I'm a swing trader more than as a, I don't know, as a classification of what type of trader I am. So I do look at the markets every day. I do improve myself as a trader every day, but I definitely do not, trade, in and out every day. I can be out of a trade, for a month without a trade, and then I can be at 5 trades together for a week, right? I don't trade every day, if that is the question. What do you see? What about you, CM?
Definitely not trading every day. And just to tell the audience, man, me and you as well, and my community and our community, we are out in cash pretty much for the last, 2 months. We're sitting mainly in cash, 90% in cash, just playing here and there, short there, long here, a little bit. People in crypto, man, they are always all in, okay? That's why they get wrecked.
Yeah,
Wrecked, man.
financial roller coaster. Financial, not only financial, actually,
Emotional.
emotional roller coaster. emotional. To be always in, people only think about how much money they can make. They forget that you can lose a lot of money by just being, all the time in the market. You're not a portfolio manager managing billions of dollars that it's hard for you to get out. Probably the majority of you are managing like $2,000 to $10,000, maybe $50,000. Some of you maybe more than $100,000. Okay, so we need to understand you are you're a shrimp. I am a shrimp. We are shrimps in this market. You can be agile. You don't need to be all the time invested. I'll be, except of the February 3rd day, where I was roughly 50, 60% invested into the short side, but I liquidated everything at amazing profits the same day. As CM said, roughly in the past, since the mid-December, mostly in cash, mostly.
Nas Chris. No, no, no. You got us wrong, man. Trading is not like work. You don't need to do it every day. Trading, I think it's more similar to surfing. You surf when the waves are good. Not all the time the ocean will be wavy. You're going to have many days that the ocean will be flat, choppy, turbulence, nasty, not proper surfing conditions. Trading is very similar to surfing. It's not a daily stuff. Okay, most people think about trading. And a lot of people join my community. Oh, I want to make every day $10,000. Man, this is not a career. This is not like a work in your wherever whatever work you've been doing in a corporation, whatever, or a monthly based work. No, 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 no. This is like surfing. You need to know when the waves are good and then trade. You don't trade when the waves are not good. So that's what we say. Always have a strategy. If there is no edge, there is
No
no
trade.
trade. Okay, that's why people get wrecked in crypto because they trade when there is
Without an
no
edge.
edge.
Yeah.
So they crash themselves to death and they don't even trade. They don't have a plan. They just buy and hold till the moon or whatever comes, moon or death, and then they're dying.
Yeah.
They're all going to get flashed. Every cycle, you get probably multiple millions of people getting rugged in crypto every cycle, and then new ones are born and they coming back, and the one that got to wrecked city, they're already done. They're out of the game, wiped out. And the whale's getting richer. The whale's getting richer.
For sure. No, I actually think that Naz has something correct. I think he's trying to understand whether trading, right, like what we do, is something that you need to do as a job, right? And you need to not work at anything else. I think he's referring to, all right, if I want to be a trader, okay, can I do trading but work at something else at a full-time job? I think that's what's hiding behind his question. I definitely think you can trade with a job. All right. I did this in the past as an entrepreneur, not only a 9 to 5. I know CM worked at jobs while being a trader as well. And many of our students, they work a 9 to 5 or more, but still trade. Okay. But you need to have your expectations straight. Okay. If you can only allocate 1 hour a day to trading, you won't be a multi-millionaire 1 year from today unless you got really lucky all of a sudden and you won the lottery. Okay. So you can't have these expectations. But if you have an hour a day, you can set correct expectations that if you learn correctly and if you do things right, that 1 year from today, you can be mildly, profitable trader or a mildly profitable trader. 2 years from today, even more successful, okay, because you have only 1 hour a day to allocate. So definitely, yes, you can be a trader, not as a full-time job, as a side job, but you need to have your expectations straight and you need to know it will just take you more time. That's what I think. That's what I think is hiding behind this Nas question.
All right, man. Well, guys, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel. And remember, no edge,